AI Economics Blueprint, Navigating the Future of Innovation and Wealth, video lecture script. Introduction. The AI economic revolution, voiceover, artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a fundamental economic driver, reshaping how we work, earn, and create wealth. But what does that really mean for businesses, policymakers, and individuals like you and me? In this lecture, we'll explore the economic impact of AI, from automation to wealth distribution, and provide actionable insights on how to navigate this AI-driven transformation. Let's get started with the foundation of AI economics. Chapter 1. The Foundations of AI Economics. Understanding the shift. For centuries, economies have been built on human labor, capital investment, and resource allocation. But with AI, we're moving into a paradigm where decision-making, productivity, and efficiency are no longer limited by human constraints. Think about it this way. 1. Traditional model, human labor, capital investment, growth. 2. AI-driven model, data plus AI systems, automated decision-making, exponential growth. This isn't just a shift, it's a complete transformation of how economies function. The implications? Productivity surges, new business models emerge, and wealth is generated in ways we've never seen before. Key drivers of AI economics. Let's break it down into 5 core factors. 1. Automation and efficiency. AI eliminates bottlenecks, reducing costs and increasing speed across industries. 2. Data as capital. The most valuable resource today isn't oil or labor, it's data. 2. Companies that control data control economic power. 3. Algorithmic decision-making. AI now makes financial, strategic, and operational decisions at superhuman speed. 4. Labor market transformation. Jobs aren't vanishing, they're evolving. 4. Some are being completely redefined. 5. Scalability of intelligence. Unlike human labor, AI can scale indefinitely, multiplying economic output exponentially. Historical context. AI versus previous economic shifts. To put this into perspective, let's compare AI's economic impact to previous technological revolutions. An industrial revolution, machines amplified human labor, leading to massive GDP growth. 2. Information age. Computers streamlined global trade and finance, boosting productivity. 3. AI age. Self-learning systems and autonomous intelligence are redefining value creation. The World Economic Forum predicts AI will contribute 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. And nations that embrace AI early will see GDP growth rates double. The winners of this economic shift will be those who integrate AI into their core strategies. AI as an economic resource. AI is not just a tool, it's an independent economic force. Traditional capital and labor were constrained by physical and cognitive limits. AI removes those barriers entirely. Case study: AI in financial markets. One of the most significant transformations has been in finance. Today, over 80% of stock market trades in the US are AI-driven. High-frequency trading, HFT algorithms make trades in microseconds, identifying patterns and optimizing portfolios faster than any human. A Harvard Business School study found that AI-powered hedge funds outperform traditional ones by 27% annually. But with AI-driven trading, market volatility has also increased, demonstrating both the power and risks of AI in finance. AI and global economic disparities. AI is creating a new economic divide between nations. Countries like the US, China, and the EU are investing billions in AI infrastructure. Meanwhile, developing nations risk falling behind. An Oxford University report predicts that by 2035, nations failing to adopt AI may experience a 30-40% GDP decline compared to AI-driven economies. Policy challenges in the AI-driven economy? Governments are grappling with major questions. The AI-driven unemployment. As automation replaces jobs, should universal basic income, UBI, be introduced? 2. Taxing AI systems. Should AI that replaces human workers be taxed as digital labor? 3. Data monetization. If data is an economic asset, how should its profits be distributed? A Stanford University policy paper suggests that regulatory frameworks on AI taxation and employment restructuring will determine how equitable AI-driven economies become. Preparing for the AI-driven economy. The rise of AI isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental restructuring of economies worldwide. Companies, governments, and individuals must adapt now or risk falling behind. Key takeaways. 1. AI is no longer just a tool. It's an independent economic force reshaping global wealth. 2. The next wave of economic growth will be AI-driven, but disparities between nations must be addressed. 3. Governments must create AI policies that balance innovation with equitable wealth distribution. 4. Businesses must rethink workforce strategies to ensure AI complements rather than replaces human talent. In the next lecture, we'll dive deeper into AI's impact on wealth distribution, global power structures, and strategies to thrive in an AI-first economy. The future isn't just automated, it's intelligent, data-driven, and rapidly evolving. Those who understand AI economics today will lead the world tomorrow. See you in the next lecture.